Hello my naughty nerds, good morning to all beta. How are you? Hope children you all are fit and fine and safe at your home. Welcome in DAV Public School, class LKG. Now children, it's a time for subject English, and in our English work today we will revise all the capital letters A to T. You already have learned Q to T beta. Q, R, S, T. Now children, we will practice all the capital letters Q to Q to T. Let's start beta. Before writing work, I have a video for you. Q to T. Okay, this is very interesting. Please watch this video and enjoy this video. Okay, then we will write capital letters in our notebook. Ready children? Okay.
Hello friends, today we are going to learn some more alphabets. Then let's get started. Look at this. Q. Q is for queen. Quack, quack, queen.
Yes beta. Speak all. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, queen. Okay. Now speak next letter.
Look at this. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit.
Yes beta. R says R. R, rabbit. How cute this rabbit is. Now tell me the color of rabbit. White. R, rabbit. And next letter beta.
Look at this. S. S is for sunflower. Sunflower.
Yes beta. S says S, तो हम स की साउंड लेंगे. ओके, स्पीक ऑल लाइक दिस. एस, सनफ्लावर. यहाँ पे बेटा आपको पिक्चर में सनफ्लावर शो हो रहा है बेटा, और मैम ने आपको क्या करवाया है? एस, स्नेक. एस, स्नेक. ओके बेटा, सन भी होता है, सनफ्लावर भी होता है, सॉक्स भी होती हैं. यू कैन से एनी. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेटर.
Look at this. T. T is for train. Train.
Yes. T says T. T says T. Train. T, tree. देखो ट्रेन के पीछे हमें क्या शो हो रहे हैं बेटा? ग्रीन ट्री. T, ट्री. और हमने मैम ने आपको क्या करवाया है? टी, टॉफी. ऑल लाइक्स टॉफी. जब व्हेन यू विल डू गुड वर्क, मैम विल गिव यू टी, टॉफी. ओके, वेरी गुड बेटा.
Now let's repeat all the alphabets. Q, R, S and T.
Now children, Q, R, S, T. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, snake. S, sunflower. T, train. T, toffee. Okay. Now beta, take out your notebook, eraser, pencil and sharpener also. Check your pencil point and start our writing work. Okay, let's start. Yes beta, this is your today's work. Here you will practice capital letters A to P, then Q, R, S, T. Okay, let's start beta. Here we will write first capital letter A apple. After this, here, tell me which letter will come here? Yes, B. B, boy. Now, after B, beta, here is letter C. C, cat. And then, beta, D, dog. After D, you will write H. No. After D, we will write here E. E, elephant. Beta, one big line, then small, then big. Okay. After E, here we will write letter F. F for fish. Now here G, girl. Which letter we will write here, beta? G. And after G, letter H. Make two standing line, then sleeping line. This is letter H. After H, you will write here L. No, we have to come this side. I-E, ice cream. Here, beta, you will write I-E, ice cream. I-E, ink pot. You will learn I-E, ink pot. And then J, joker. This is J, joker. Speak out, beta. After J, beta, you will write here K. K, kite. And then L, loin. After L, beta, again come this side and write here letter M. M, monkey. N, nest. And then orange. And then peacock. After P, beta, our next letter, this is, tell me, yes, Q, queen. Q, queen. Right here, at first, we will make O, like this. And then, beta, मैम ने आपको सिखाया था, जहाँ ये हमारा यहाँ टच होता है, ये हमारा जो कर्व, बेटा, जहाँ इस ब्लू लाइन पे टच हो रहा है, ब्लैक लाइन पे, यहाँ से आपने पेंसिल रखनी है, लिटल अप, थोड़ा सा अप जाके, देन टर्न डाउन एंड टच टू दिस ब्लैक लाइन. ओके, queen. And then R, rabbit. At first you have to make P like this, then make a backward slanting line. This is R, rabbit. And then here is beta two slight slanting dots, and you have to draw a left side curve, then right side curve. This is S, a snake. And then you will write here T, toffee, tree. One more time we will write here for practice. Q, queen. R, rabbit. And then S, snake. And then T, toffee. One more time we will write Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, snake. And last beta, theta, tiger. Look here beta, this is today's work. I have completed my page. Now it's your turn. You will complete a neat and clean handwriting. Okay beta, take care. Do your work with enjoy, with interest. सबने बेटा हंस के स्माइलिंग फेस में अपना वर्क करना है, मम्मा को तंग नहीं करना. ओके, टेक केयर बेटा एंड सेंड मी योर वर्क बेटा एवरीवन.